Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a diesel heater to warm your house without having to put a hole in your home. This rectangular piece of wood is something I've been referring to as a window bypass. Basically, I open the window up halfway, I put a piece of wood into it, and then I close the window on it. On the outside of the window, of course, I use some flashing tape just to seal it up to make sure it's watertight. And then what I'm going to do here today, I'm going to drill a hole right here through this piece of wood so we can run our tubing through it. All right, this is a 3/4 inch piece of pressure treated plywood that's in the window. I've got our hole cut out. Let's go ahead and get our PVC lined up. I have a 4-inch 45-degree elbow. Of course, pipe is measured on the inside, so the inside diameter is 4 inches. I have an adapter to go over that, which has threads on the inside of it, and then a cap put over that for when I'm not using it, I can close it off. So basically it'll look like that. So let's go ahead and use our PVC cement and let's get this set up. So I'm gonna go outside real quick. I'm gonna stick this through the window and it's gonna be sticking down at a 45-degree angle in an effort to not allow rain to come up to the inside of it. So I'm gonna go stick that through the window real quick. Okay, that looks pretty good. I've got a good amount coming through the window, which is what I'll use to sink my adapter onto. Of course, here's the adapter we're going to be using. That fits over this portion. We use our clear, medium PVC cement stuff. Obviously in a well-ventilated area, of course. But of course. This stuff dries quick, so you want to be kind of fast with it. So go ahead and put it on there. Grab our piece. And then while twisting, we'll rotate this while pushing inwards, and we'll get this on there. That's it. Hold that in place for 10 or 15 seconds to seal. That'll make a nice bond. And then we're gonna go outside and we're gonna seal that up around the outside of it with silicone. So for now, we'll just put our cap on here. Look at that. And after 24 hours, our silicone is now dry to the touch. All sealed up, weather resistant. And of course, having the angle on it keeps water from getting inside of it when it rains. Now let's go ahead and put the tube through it. There we go. All right, and now it's through the hole. So now that coming into the house, I have this wrapped on here where it makes contact with the PVC with some heat resistance tape. And then right where it comes into the house, I also put a microfiber on the end of it to kind of seal the hole up and then stick it back through there like that. Outside, I do the exact same thing with another microfiber. That just helps prevent any additional cold air coming through there as well. So I have the tube coming through on one side, provide the heat, and then the power source I have coming through another one on here that I can plug into the outlet inside of the house. And that's it, guys. It's a very easy, very simple way to run your diesel heater into the house without having to drill a hole through your home and just using the window instead. So if you have any questions, feel free to put them down in the comments below. I do get to all of them, and I'd be happy to help with whatever I can. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.